Dear students, now in this video I'll explain you the practical problems in marginal costing. So let us dive into the video. For example, I hope my audio is visible. For example, from the following data, from the following data, please find what will be the profit when sales are 60,000 and 1 lakh. Also, second question, what will be the amount of sales? What will be the amount of sales at a desired profit level, that is 60,000 and and 6,000 and also 15,000. Okay, what was given from the following data? The given fixed cost is equal to 12,000 rupees. Selling price per unit is equal to 12 rupees per unit. Variable cost per unit is equal to 9 rupees per unit. Okay, this is given. You have given fixed cost, you have given selling price, that is 12 rupees per unit. Also, you are given the variable cost, that is 9 rupees per unit. You are required to calculate what will be the profit when the sales are 60,000 and 1 lakh. In the second case, what will be the amount of sales if the desired profit is 6,000 and 15,000. So let us see the solution for this problem. Solution. First, let us calculate PV ratio. Profit volume ratio are also known as PV ratio is equal to contribution per unit divided by selling price per unit into 100, that is equal to contribution. You already know what is this contribution. Selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit divided by selling price per unit, that is equal to 12 minus 9 divided by 12 rupees, that is equal to 3 by 12 into 100, that is equal to 25%. Therefore PV ratio is equal to 25%. See, in the second question, the profit is given as the profit. There are two profits. If the profit is 6,000 or 15,000, how much sales is required if the profit is 6,000, and how much sales is required if we have to get profit of 15,000? In order to do this, we have a formula: sales for a desired profit. Sales for a desired profit formula is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. Substituting these two values, we have fixed cost 12,000, we have desired profit in two cases 6,000 and 15,000. So by solving this, we get, in order to get a desired profit level of 6,000, we have to sell, the sales must be 72,000. In order to get a desired profit of 15,000, we have to sell 1,08,000. The sales value must be 1,08,000. Now let us see the another example. Let us see the another example. This calculation is, calculation or identification of missing figures. In marginal costing, you will be given problems like missing figures. So let us see an example. If we have given the following information: break-even point is equal to 30,000, profit is equal to 1,500, fixed cost is equal to 6,000. You may be asked, what is the amount of what will be the amount of variable cost? This is the question. You have given break-even point is equal to 30,000, profit is equal to 1,500, fixed cost is equal to 6,000, and the question is asked about what is the amount of variable cost. You have fixed cost, you have profit. So contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. You remember, whenever these problems are given, you have to immediately remember the statement of profit. Sales less variable cost is equal to contribution plus fixed cost is equal to profit. And you have given profit of 1500 and you have given fixed cost of 6000. Therefore 6000 plus 15,000, you have 6000 plus 1500, that is 7500 is your contribution. Now all you have to know is sales and variable cost. You also know there is also given the break even point. What is the formula for break even point? Break even point equal to fixed cost by contribution into sales. You already know break even point equal to 30,000 and you already know fixed cost equal to 6,000 and you already know calculated the contribution as 7,500 into sales. And remember, sales in the next concept, sales is equal to 30,000 into sales is equal to 30,000 into 7,500 divided by 6,000. You get what? Let us see the calculation. $30,000 into 7,500 divided by 6,000. $37,500. Sales equal to 37,500. Now you also know sales 37,500. Sales minus variable cost equal to contribution. Sales minus variable cost equal to contribution. So variable cost is equal to sales minus contribution. See, 37,500 minus 30,000 is equal to 7,500. 37,000 sales minus 30,000 variable cost is equal to 7,500 plus fixed cost equal to minus fixed cost is equal to 6,000. 7,500 minus 6,000 equal to 1,500. So this is your statement of profit. Now even without going into the statement of profit, also you can calculate. By now you have calculated sales 37,500. What is the formula for variable cost? Formula for variable cost is equal to variable cost formula is equal to 100 minus PV ratio. What is the PV ratio here? Contribution by sales into 100. So 7,500 by 37,500 into 100. So maybe like 20%. So that is equal to 80%. That is 80% of sales, 37,500 is equal to 30,000. So in this way also you can get. Simply the statement of profit method is very easy. In the third example, let us say break even point, selling the given selling price 150 per unit, variable cost 90 per unit. Deducting selling price minus variable cost, we get contribution 60 per unit. Also we have given fixed cost 6 lakhs. Given fixed cost 6 lakhs. What is break even point? What is break even point? Also we have been asked what is the selling price per unit if the break even point is 12,000 units. Now let us solve this formula, solve this answer. Break even point. What is the formula for break even point? Fixed cost by contribution per unit. Why we are taking units? The sum has been given in the units, that is volume. So that is why we are taking fixed cost by contribution per unit. 6 lakhs by, what is the contribution? 60. So that is equal to 10,000 units. So the first break even point answer has been solved. But in the second point, what we have been asked? What will be the selling price if the break even point is 12,000? We have been asked. See, in the second we have break even point. Given the break even point must be 12,000 is equal to fixed cost 6 lakh divided by contribution per unit. Let us take this contribution per unit into this, and here into this we get contribution per unit is equal to 6 lakh by 12,000, that is equal to 50 rupees. You know, when contribution is equal to 50 rupees, selling price must be contribution equal to 50 rupees. You know, sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution. That equal to sales, you don't know. Variable cost must be 90 is equal to 50. So that is sales is equal to 50 plus 90. That is equal to 140 per unit. 140 per unit. So this is how the marginal costing problems are solved.